Hi there, it's Robin Lear from Remax First here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Hope everybody's doing well as we head into our fall, pretty close to it as the weather cools. Biggest thing we're seeing right now, the stats package comes out, of course, for August. Here's the Coles Notes version. Year over year, we are up. I mean, it's pretty tough not to be. 2011 was one of the toughest years for many realtors in our market. Overall sales this year, we're seeing numbers as low as really like 2,200-ish. That was a high of 2011. So since about February, March, we've been seeing 2,700 sales, 3,200 sales, 3,300 sales. We've been seeing some serious volume as far as sales go, and of course last year at this time we had around 10,000 listings. So that's part of what we're seeing right now is the overall inventory is lower, which creates more of a demand, and in certain segments of our buyers, they feel like there's nothing out there. If you're looking between 600 and 900,000 for price point, it feels like there's nothing out there because, of course, we're only at 5,700 sales, or 5,700 listings rather. Overall sales volume, there's a couple things that I find kind of funny. Under 400,000 right now, across the whole city, that's our entry-level price point. That is probably the most active. There's a few anomalies where up to about 1.25, from about 900,000 to about 1.25, the volume is actually higher last year in 2011 than it is this year. Go figure. Very weird. So it's kind of a tale of two different markets. Is it very, very active? Yes, it is. Under 500,000, super active. 600 to 900,000, a little bit. And 900,000 and up, you're one of about 200 sales that occur in the year. So if you've sold, congratulations. If you haven't sold, that's part of that price point pushing back a little bit. So it's a little bit more balanced across the whole market is kind of the Coles Notes version. We've been saying that for a few months, but you know, our stats finally sort of support it. The biggest story this year, of course, is just more overall sales. So the volume of sales is much higher. Yeah, so there we go. As you head into September, October, November, December, we expect things to be a little bit slower. And of course, you know, come February, March, most of our economists predict a little bit more robust conditions, but the next few months it typically will slow down. Anyway, that's it for now. If you have any questions, hit me up on the email, robin@robinlear.com. Check us out on the website, www.robinlear.com, or give us a shout on the private office line, 403-452-6555. Look forward to any questions or comments, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.